What is a rent schedule? A rent schedule, which is known as a 1007, is basically an appraisal for rent values on a specific home. Oftentimes, this can be needed, especially for LPA, when you are converting a primary residence into a rental and we need to verify the rent amount. Because anyone could put any amount on a lease agreement, but we have to make sure that it coincides with fair market value. So here's an example of what a rent schedule looks like. It's typically 9 pages, and you will see it's a lot like an appraisal where there's comparable 1, 2, and 3, but again, on the rent values. And you will see on the first page here, it gives the exact amount of what the appraiser feels the fair market rent for the home is. Now, when we are converting a primary to a rental, we can use 75% of that amount. Because we have not claimed it on our Schedule E of our tax return, that's why we only could go off 75% of what the rent schedule amount comes out to be. Typically, a rent schedule can run anywhere from about $150 to $250, and the turnaround time is a little bit quicker than an average 1004 appraisal. So again, this is a 1007 rent schedule, which essentially is just a rent appraisal for rental values. So you'll see pictures there. They do not go on the inside, so it's an exterior drive-by only. So that's why they can get it back quicker. So you can see it's a 9-page document. And the most important part of it is that we get what they feel that the rent value is. So this is known as a 1007 rent schedule. And whenever it's needed, you order it just like a normal appraisal through an AMC company, except this one's called the 1007. Thanks for tuning in.